The unique Famicom skeleton model, transparency cannot be restored. It's visible, but let's open it up. 11 years after its release, in 1998, Apple's iMac sparked the trend. The skeleton craze. In toys and games, skeleton designs existed even before. Maybe Salamander was the pioneer. Abrasive.
Oh, give more tea.
How to handle plugins. Caught in plastic. Solder mask is peeling off. The type that cures with UV light. It's generally getting thinner. First full body coating. High power UV light. It lasts quite a long time. Magic potion. Hope it lasts longer. Let's preserve it for the future.
Perfect body.